This is the Scottish National Tartan, a breathtaking fusion of the soul of the Highlands and the bold, storied legacy of Scottish tradition. Defined by a majestic palette of deep forest green, Highland purple, and sky blue, it offers a modern expression of a timeless classic. The intricate interplay of these iconic colors creates a visual rhythm that is both commanding and serene, catching the light with a quiet, sophisticated confidence. Its clean and balanced design exudes a rare elegance, giving it a powerful presence that is subtle yet undeniably striking. Every thread reflects a harmony of color and texture, designed for those who seek a sharp, professional look with a touch of grace. While its palette feels fresh and contemporary, its soul is deeply rooted in the heritage of prestige and craftsmanship. As a universal symbol of pride, it bridges the gap between the ancient clans and the modern world stage, representing the very heart of the nation.